This is my turbo kit for my BRZ, not the Buick. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty speechless. My mom wasn't mad. Yeah, she was confused. She had ordered something and she thought this was it, but she hadn't bought it yet. So she thought she accidentally ordered something, but she didn't. It was me. Okay, so this box is the first box that everyone was concerned about, including me. This thing is beat. Oh, wow. Okay, this box, look at this. Like, I don't even, yeah, I'm kind of speechless, to be honest. I just hope all this works. Okay, this is exactly how the box showed up. I think the bubble wrap was around the oil pan, but honestly, I'm not even sure. I mean, like, would the bubble wrap even make a difference? It's pretty. Can you tell the scope of how messed up this box is?
Yes.
You think? Like, it's pretty messed up. They even had to tape it. So this, like, has been through some stuff before the delivery guys even dropped it off. I know a lot of people were saying, like, it's the delivery guy's fault, and who knows, it could be, but I mean, unless they're sitting in the back taping it up, this is okay. But on the other hand, this box, which has the important stuff, was in a lot better shape. So this was bubble wrapped, pretty rough, but it's getting installed in May, so we'll see if any of this is good. So yeah, I don't know, that's really it. I just wanted to make this to show you the boxes up close and show you what's inside. This is a JDL turbo kit for a Subaru BRZ. This obviously isn't from JDL. This is obviously used, so nothing with JDL. Hopefully it works.